There's a few essential tools that you need when you're doing brake lines, fuel lines, or transmission lines. Of course, you need a quality flaring tool like our professional unit, but you can't forget about the prep. Here at Eastwood, we have two types of line cutters that's going to make your next brake job a lot easier. The first option we have for making accurate cuts is our professional tubing cutter. This unit will cut tubing from 1/8 inch all the way up to 1 1/4 inch in diameter. Perfect for passenger car brake lines up to heavy equipment tubing. This unit will cut mild steel, hardened steel, stainless steel, and even the softer metals like copper, brass, and aluminum. You will even find a spare cutting wheel in the handle, that way you're never left stuck halfway through a job. And even if you do have to knock off a small burr, there's a fold-away reamer built right into the handle. That way you can cut and clean it with one tool. Now, if you're going to be working with the tubing on the car and you want something that offers a little bit more maneuverability, then you need to check out the Pro Mini tubing cutter. This thing is great because its compact design allows you to get into really tight spaces on the car without actually having to remove the tubing. Now, the Mini can cut the same material as the Professional, however, it can only cut up to 1 inch. But for most automotive jobs, that's more than enough and should be able to get you through your next project. If you guys want any more information on any of the brake tools that Eastwood sells, you can follow the link that appears on screen.